So over here you can see that I have a background, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a brush and then draw out something over here just like this. And I'm going to go around and create a new layer right here just like this. For a while, select the second layer and draw out over here as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and go to the selection tool right here. Let me just go to the rectangular, select and click and drag around right here. Let me just go around and then disable out the expand from center selection right here so that I can go around and select it out from the side. So let me just go around and resize out the selection over here just like this, so you can see that this is the selection that you have. So now what you can do is you can go around and utilize auto shrink right here. So what auto shrink does is it selects out this particular layer. So you can see that on this particular layer you can see that I have this particular drawing, and as I clicked on auto shrink, it selected out only that content, so it only shrinks down the selection to that particular content right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to select both of these objects right here from all of the layers. In that case, you can go around and utilize shrink merged. So once you do that, what happens is that a shrink merge allows you to select out all of the layers right here. And then if I were to click on auto shrink right here just like this, then now you can see that it selects out the content from layer background and the main layer right here. And that is how you can utilize the selections auto shrink option, auto shrink, and utilize the shrink merge option to select objects from multiple layers inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.